Edenu na miare yonuwa pale Ugbo Maowa. Today's lesson is about parts of the body. Wabakiro. Hair. Eto. Head. Uyobi. Eye. Elo. Eyebrow. Igbelo. Eyelashes. Etwelo. Forehead or temple. Arale. Nose. Inwe. Cheek. Egba. Mouth. Unu. Lip. Ebegbunu. Teeth. Ako. Tongue. Elewe. Ear. Ero. Jaw. Ijowa. Chin. Agboto. Neck. Ohole. Shoulder. Igabo. Hand. Obo. Arm. Igbabo. Elbow. Ukohobo. Wrist. Erobo. Knuckles. Ichikabo. Finger. Uriabo. Fingernails. Ifipabo. Palm. Eherobo. Chest. Udu. Breast. Evie. Ribs. Ibie dada. Back. Ugbuko. Stomach. Evu. Navel. Uhori. Loins. Ore. Waist. Ewu. Leg. Owo. Thigh. Ekpego won. Knee. Ugbo. Heel. Ichika won. Toes. Uria won. Toenails. Ififa won. Butt. Ikebe. Alright. Agbatare. Your pee-pee. Osha. Your balls. Iblite. Your Jerusalem. Ohoro. And the ice in there. Ibiokolo. Forget Lena. Eti de penu neyo. Awole. E ba come mi lo wa. Yes, actually I need to let you all know that there are some things that are sacrosanct that are not meant to be mouthed. One, like anyhow as you have it in English. No. Especially things that pertain to the female. We do not mouth it anyhow in Urhobo land. So don't go anywhere mouthing any word you just said right now. Those things that should be mentioned, please mention them. I just did that for the purpose of learning. Don't go out there and be mentioning the female parts anyhow. Otherwise, you will be in trouble if you are in a typical Urhobo community. Onyewa mitana, watani chobe oyi yonuwe, ibi yono yina, bado. Oyema, let's edit it.